So let me tell you about cleaning the van. Let me be used.
I don't have pants on.
It's okay. So, when you live in a small space, you're gonna be constantly cleaning, and it's a good thing. It's a nice thing. It's better than before when I used to live in my room, and I would leave messes all the time for like weeks. And now I clean my van constantly, and it's a nice feeling. But let me show you how it is when it's dirty. So here are, I guess, laid out blankets. But now here's a big corporate. And these feet. God damn it. And yeah. And this is what you see when it gets dirty. Well, not dirty, but unorganized. Living in the van makes me a somewhat organized person. Do you got any comments to say?
Every morning you wake up in van life, just know that you're gonna have to make your bed. You're from the night before, you're gonna have to pick up all your clothes. When it's raining, you're going to have to dry everything off. And this was just from last night. We just cleaned. So, yeah.
Just wait till it gets clean.
And now that's how our van is now clean. I didn't say we were professionals, but it's clean. It's kind of organized in our eyes. Yeah. Oh, it's right there. Oh, and then we bought this rug from Walmart. It's a 100% recyclable rug. It's just a bunch of different yarns and fabrics all woven together. And I don't think we gave you guys a tour yet.
We haven't. This is our first video.
Okay, so this is the van tour. Van tour episode 1. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's just only even one episode. This is the cockpit. It's usually where me and Juliette drive, obviously. Right here is just a blanket that we use to cover this whole area. Okay, and right here is our Coleman Fridge. Very retro style. If I can open it. And yeah, we just have our drinks and stuff. We just put ice. We don't really use a 12-volt refrigerator because it just sucks the life out of our battery. Also, over the cockpit we had an empty space. We actually had 2 empty spaces. So this side is Juliette's, obviously, because it's bigger. And we just lined the inside with Reflectix. And then on my side we did the same thing, but instead there was on the bottom there was nothing, so I had to put all these panels in and then get a big piece of plyboard and screw it in. As well as you can tell certain spots they don't meet up. Certain spots are exposed because we did this in a week because we need to be out here in Houston for a job. So yeah, so that's why it looks pretty good for like a week's work. It's kind of half-assed, but it was pretty good. And we still left our wet, I don't know what you would call this, a wet dry board, like for when you get inside your car. And it works out well because we put our water here, we put our dirty boots here, everything. And then under it, under the bed, is like our dirty clothes, our backpacks, our backpacking gear, everything. And then right here is our shoes. And then here,
You don't need that. That's fine.
I don't mean to sound very fancy, but is our acacia wood sink bowl, which is just storage right now. And we have our maple wood counter. Very simple build.
Everything in here is what we made together.
We built all this.
All together.
Bottom over here we have our sleeping pads, sleeping mat, whatever.
Our sleeping thing.
Here, just a bunch of boxes filled with like a collapsible bucket, or utensils,
Our kitchen.
bowls, kitchen utensils.
Right here. Dylan made this netting system, which is pretty cute and nice. Our body washing stuff and all our food. Yeah, junk food too sometimes. And we use this was like pasta sauce from the other night, but we reuse them. And our bread, quinoa, olive oil, other spices in the next one. And our bookcase.
Need books, a lot of books, because you have a lot of downtime sometimes. Yeah, have our books or duct tape. Always need duct tape, peanuts, and just whatever random stuff in there. Oh, and then we have this solar light when we go camping with our crew. Inflatable solar light. Don't have to charge anything at all. We just throw it up there in the dashboard and let it charge.
And our lights system for now. This is just for now temporary. They're battery operated lights. We are soon going to put in these lights that are connected to our solar panels. And here's our solar setup. Control charger and our inverter from Renogy, and also the solar panels from Renogy also. Yeah, and our lovely bed. How we made our bed is these are 2 storage compartments, and this is a table. This converts into a table, but right now this is just a bed for now. We're gonna buy a pedestal so we can make it into a table for now, but as of now, and the time exceeds, we make it into bed.
Also, the biggest question our family asks us and tells us, where's the bathroom? I'll tell you where the bathroom's at. So, you take off this little net thing, and right under all this stuff, under this, our stove, our little stove, is a porta potty. And we just set that up anywhere it's discreet.
But that's
We place a bag in it and we do our business.
Yeah, the porta potty, we just recently used that, and that's only in case for emergencies because we live in Houston and there's a shit ton of bathrooms. So the porta potty, heads up, you could buy this at Walmart. His grandpa bought it for us. It turns your pee into literally ice mush. It looks like ice mush, but it's not. It's just like some powder that makes your pee into mush. And then you get to poop, and then, yeah, that's the thing that goes down in that business.
The thing with traveling, I don't think a lot of people understand or realize, is that there's bathrooms everywhere. There's literally so much bathrooms everywhere. Like, we only use that toilet one time. As far as showers, Planet Fitness is the way to go. Also, what we didn't talk about is during our free time we made this little planter box. I'm not sure what kind of plants these are. We just bought them.
There's an aloe.
But this is definitely for sure an aloe. This one, yeah, that's all I can tell you right now.
And that's like a vine one.
And then this is like a certain type of vine plant. This one's sort of cacti, and this one's I'm not really sure too much. But yeah. So that was our little vlog. Hopefully we didn't miss anything you guys wanted to see, and thank you for watching. We'll hopefully post in the next coming weeks.
Yeah, we might be really busy because our job depends on being really freaking busy. But, well, we are really grateful and thankful that you guys get to watch our first video vlog, and it's awesome. It's like a beautiful thing that's happening. Thanks.